Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is digital inverter Samsung 10 kg top loader washing machine. This is inverter system actually. Today I'm going to show you how to use this machine because most some customers are they doesn't know how to use this machine. Because of that they requested from me, please explain to us how to use this machine. Now I'm going to show you how to use this machine. This one power on off switch, this one start pause. Now I'm giving power connection. This all the options are wash options here: normal, super clean, quick wash, also delegate, and aqua servers and jeans bedding. And this one not the wash option, only the rings plus spin. This one eco tub clean option. This is cycle selector. Now I'm going to show you how to selecting cycles, otherwise wash option. Now it is already showing normal. Now again if I'm pressing another one, it will come super clean. After that it will come quick wash. Also it will come delegate 1 hour and 2 minutes. This one aqua preserve, also jeans and bedding and rinse plus. This one eco tub clean, this one. Now again I'm going to show you while you select quick wash. I selected already quick wash. After that I am pressing here. Now see it is showing this one detecting time. It's showing wash cycle 6, wash time 6 minutes. This all minutes. Also rings 1 rings and 3 minutes spin. Water level, after detecting it will show water level. This is the quick option. Now I'm pause again machine. Also if you don't have much cloth, dirty cloth, you can select only the rings plus spin. At the same time please don't use the detergent, you have to use ring side. Otherwise we are telling comfort only. Don't put wash detergent powder to the or liquid to the machine, because it's not cleaning well. Because of that I'm telling. Now I'm going to show you other side. That's mean left side it's all the options. Other side I'm going to show you. Now you can see here delay end, also beep, deep softener, also water level here, also wash time, ring time and spin. This one cool or hot, temperature, intensive wash also we can select. Now hot and cool both, while we are selecting only the wash time cool water will come, sorry, only the wash time hot water will come. After that rings time it will come hot water, but most probably all the customers are selecting cool. Nobody using hot water because of that, especially UAE. And if you are selecting hot and cool, you have to give here both connection. That's mean hot and cool both inlet valve you have to fix to the machine. Otherwise you are not able to use the machine. Now I'm cancelling again. Only I'm keeping hot. Now here if you need more spin cycle, you can select until 9 minutes. Now here 1 minute, also 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes and 9 minutes you can select. That only the spin cycle. Also rings also same. While you selecting any option, rings coming 1 or 2. Manually if you need more rings, if you having more sabun with the your fabric, you have to select at least 3 rings time. Also wash time also you can select whatever as your choice. Until 30 minutes you can select 6 minutes, 12 minutes and 18 and 24 and 30 minutes, like that. Water level also same. Manually you can select whatever, automatically selecting water level. If you need more water level, quantity of water to the tub, you can select manually until level 5. Now I will show you here deep softener, if you need, you can add deep softener also by manually pressing. Also this one delay time mean, for example, now I am selecting this one, sorry. Now for example, I am selecting here quick wash. Also delay time I am selecting 5 hour. After that I am starting machine, but after 5 hour, that's mean delay time 5 hour, after only machine starting itself. Until that 5 hour machine not getting start, that is the delay option. Until 24 hours you can select a delay option. It's like that. I will show you this one. 5 hours, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, until 24 minutes, 24 hours you can select here 24 hours. That means one day you can keep delay time. After one day only machine starting itself automatically, end in 24 hours. It's like that. Also now I'm going to show you how to select separate wash and separate rings and separate spin. Now I'm selecting here. Now I'm going to show you how to select only the wash, but rings and spin I'm going to cancel. Now I'm going to show you how to select only the direct wash. That's mean we have to cancel ring cycle and spin cycle. Spin cycle also I'm cancel. Now quick wash, already here selected quick wash, and when I'm starting quick wash option, but no any rings and spin, only the wash 6 minutes only. After that machine will get stopped automatically. That's mean no rings and no spin. If you need only the rings, also add same. Now I'm going to show you how to cancel ring cycle, otherwise wash cycle separately. Now this one wash cycle 6 minutes, 12 minutes until 30 minutes. If you press again, it will cancel. Now only the rings and spin. Rings also if you need you can cancel like that. Now only the spin cycle. Now that's mean you can select direct spin, whatever as your choice, spin cycle, but it's showing 21 minutes. Now I will start the minute. Now I'll start already. Now water not taken, you can see here it's showing only the spin indicator. Now water draining, machine will get start. Now I think you know how to use Samsung brand top loading washing machine. Machine will get start now. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you.